आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट, टुडेज टॉपिक इज़ कोड ऑफ एथिक्स ऑफ नर्सिंग। ठीक है, इसमें हमें कोड ऑफ एथिक्स देखने हैं कि नर्सिंग कैसे हमारा काम करती है, क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं उसको ध्यान में रखने के लिए वो हमें चेक करनी होती है। तो कोड ऑफ एथिक्स क्या है, डेफिनेशन हम पहले देखेंगे। अ कोड ऑफ एथिक्स इज़ अ फॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट ऑफ ग्रुप्स आइडियल एंड वैल्यूज़। ठीक है, पर्पस क्या होंगे इसके, क्यों हमारा ज़रूरी है कोड ऑफ एथिक्स। स्टैंडर्ड फॉर द बिहेवियरल of nurse and provider journal guideline for nursing action, helps to distinguish between right and wrong, enable a correct decision, protect the right of individual। ठीक है, न्यूज़ क्या है, एक्नॉलेज्ड द राइटफुल प्लेस ऑफ इंडिविजुअल इन द हेल्थ केयर डिलीवरी सिस्टम। सेकेंड, इसमें क्या, कंट्रीब्यूट टूवर्ड्स एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ इंडिविजुअल टू become responsible for their health and well-being, contribute to quality care, identify obligation in practice, research and relationship, forms the individuals, families, community and other professional about expectation of nurses। ethical principles क्या होंगे इसके, respect and autonomy, beneficence, justice, veracity and fidelity। ethics dilemma क्या है, occur when there is conflict between two or more ethical principles, no correct decision exists, ethical reasoning। इंटरनेशनल कोड ऑफ नर्सिंग एथिक्स क्या है हमारा इंटरनेशनल कोड ऑफ एथिक्स। एन इंटरनेशनल कोड ऑफ एथिक्स फॉर नर्सिंग वाज द फर्स्ट डेवलप्ड बाय इंटरनेशनल काउंसिल ऑफ नर्स in 1953. It has been received and reframed the various times since, most recently with this review and revision completed in 2005। Reframer क्या है, nurse have four fundamental responsibility to promote health, to prevent illness, to restore health and to elevate the suffering, the need for nursing universal। कोड ऑफ एथिक्स, द कोड ऑफ एथिक्स क्या है, द INC ऑफ कोड ऑफ एथिक्स फॉर नर्सेज हैज़ फोर प्रिंसिपल elements that outline the standards of ethical conduct। elements of code of ethics के नर्स एंड पीपल, इसमें क्या होगा, द नर्स प्राइमरली professional responsibility and to people requiring nursing care। In providing care, the nurse promote an environment in which the human rights, value, customs and spiritual belief of individual, family and community are respected। The nurse ensure that the individual receive sufficient information on which to base contact for care and relate treatment। The nurse hold in confidence person information and use judgment in sharing in information। The nurse share with society and responsibility for initiating and supporting action to meet the health and social need to public in the particular, those vulnerable population। The nurse also share responsibility to sustain and protect the natural environment from development population degraded and destructions। नर्सेज एंड प्रैक्टिस क्या होगा नर्सिंग एंड प्रैक्टिस में, द नर्स कैरीज पर्सनल responsibility and accountability for nursing practice and for maintaining competence by continuation culture. And nurse and the professional. The nurse assume the major role of determining and implementing respectable standards of clinical nursing practice, management, research, and the education. The nurse is active and developing a core of research based professional knowledge. A nurse acting through the professional organization participating in creating and maintaining shape equitability, social and economic working condition in nursing. And nurse and co-worker. The nurse sustain to cooperative relationship with co-worker in nursing and other field. The nurse take appropriate action to safeguard individuals, families, and community when their health is endangered by co-worker or any other person. Nurse and society. The participate and share responsibility with other citizens, other health professional. Recognized recognize and perform the duty of citizenship, aware of value and regulation which affect the practice and medicine and nursing. In the in the uh, i- in the other ethics, a nurse India. अभी क्या है, the nurse respect and the accused individual and provisional care. मेडिको लीगल में क्या है, द ऑप्टेंट कंप्लीट हिस्ट्री फॉर पेशेंट एंड सिग्निफिकेंट अदर inform the policy officer, constable and duty the hospital and CMO when it is made a MCL, when record it to patient case sheet with a red ink and right hand corner. Do not give any statement go about patient condition to policies. When a person has to be discharged, inform the CMO only after clearance from them. He or she can discharge if a MCL patient absconded. Inform the MCO and these are treating doctor immediate. Thank you so much.